If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space with clean, modern pathway lighting without dealing with complicated wiring or buying extra parts, then this video is worth a look. Today we're checking out a complete 5-in-1 low voltage pathway lighting kit. This is a true all-in-one kit. Inside the box you get a 96 watt low voltage transformer, 100 feet of UL listed low voltage landscape wire, 12 aluminum stakes, 12 aluminum 5 watt path lights, and your wire connectors for a quick setup. This kit is designed to be approachable even if you've never installed landscape lighting before. The 100-foot wire gives you plenty of room to design your layout, like pathways, garden borders, driveways, patios, or even wrapping around larger yards. Starting out, I ran the wire down the pathway on top of the ground. Then it came to placing the lights. You will screw the stake onto the lighting fixture with the wires coming through its port that's made into the stake. Then for placing the lights around the porch, I already knew where I wanted them in this little area. The others I ran up the pathway at around 6 feet apart, and it worked out great. Anywhere around the 6 to 8 feet mark will give you nice lighting along the pathway, followed by connecting them to the wire, and you are done. No complicated wiring or electrical knowledge needed. Because it's low voltage, it's also safer to work with and more forgiving if you decide to move lights around later. All 12 lights are IP66 waterproof along with a transformer, so they're built to handle real outdoor conditions like rain, snow, heat, cold, you name it. It can handle it. The light housings are made from aluminum, not plastic, and that's a huge bonus in my opinion. This helps with durability and heat dissipation. Even after extended outdoor use or heavy weather, these are designed to keep performing without flickering or water issues. This is the kind of build that you want for permanent outdoor lighting. Each light uses a 5 watt SMD LED, which keeps things energy efficient while still delivering strong illumination. You also get 5 adjustable color temperatures, ranging from warm 2200 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin daylight. So you can easily grab the look that you want, from warm and cozy to bright and modern. They also have a feature where they will flicker back and forth, and I thought that was even pretty cool. But for myself, I prefer the 2200 Kelvin, giving us a nice warm glow around the patio. The 96 watt transformer really pulls its weight here. It includes an external photocell sensor that will automatically turn the lights on at dusk and off at dawn. And you also have 3 operating modes you can use. You can set the transformer to be always on or always off, work from dusk till dawn, or it has a timer function that sets it from 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours to automatically turn off after that time limit has finished. Plus, there's also a built-in memory function, so it remembers your last setting even after a power interruption. So built-in circuit protection adds a bit of peace of mind. Design-wise, these lights have a slick, slim, oval profile. With a dark matte powder-coated finish, they look clean and modern during the day and really shine at night. The dual-sided lighting design helps illuminate both pathways and the surrounding landscaping, which gives everything a more polished look. After installing these lights, it's really brought out the warmth of the patio, and we absolutely love them. And even considering picking up some more to continue around the pathway. If you've got a larger outdoor area and want reliable, good-looking pathway lighting without the headache of having to piece together a bunch of components and go buy extra tools, this lighting kit is a solid choice. It's easy to install, weather-ready, and smart enough to run itself. If you're interested in taking a look for yourself, I'll drop a product link down in the description below, and you can check out the current pricing and details. If this video helped you out, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more from Need Want Buy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.